If one of your crypto investments haven't doubled in the last 5 months, you're doing it wrong. Your portfolio could be broken. But don't worry, if you watch this video to the end, we're going to completely repair and replace your crypto strategy so that you can enjoy the profits that I'm about to show you. Hi, my name's Josh with Crypto Y'all. I do about 3 to 5 hours a day of crypto research and capital allocation. So if you find this video helpful, bookmark it, share it with a friend, and like and follow. But Josh, the market's been down for the last 8 months. I get it, but whether you use bear market, bull market labels, it doesn't matter. There's always a bull market somewhere, especially in a technology class like crypto. So here are 3 tips to help you revolutionize your crypto appreciation strategy this year. Tip number 1, don't get tunnel vision. A lot of us are stuck in crypto investments that aren't necessarily going anywhere. The diamonds are in other areas of the market. If you've been clinging to a promise from an influencer or two about a particular financial instrument or meme coin that hasn't yet panned out, or maybe you got in late, the fact of the matter is that particular investment, all the diamonds, may have been captured in the previous cycle. Sure, it can still go up in value, but if you're looking for the fabled 100, 200, 500, 1800% returns, well, that may not happen with your old dinosaur token. And in crypto, anything that's been through a bull cycle before is a dinosaur token. Tip number 2, follow the heat. This token right here, this token's up 1,825% since December of 2025. Now, let that sink in. Since October of 2025, Bitcoin went on a down streak. It's been in a massive correction and didn't recover until month before last. So how on the good Lord's green earth can we have a token that's doing this kind of performance? It's because when a token latches itself on to an actual real world zeitgeist movement like AI and AI infrastructure, that's how you get this kind of price action. And look, I'm the biggest fan of Chainlink probably on this app. It's probably the #1 most useful crypto on the planet when it comes to real world application. But when it comes to multiples and correlations, Venice, that's up 1,800%, completely front ran and outran the rest of the crypto market because of the hype. Speaking of, even larger market caps like Hyperliquid are going to be able to outperform the market when the market isn't performing at all. And if you'll notice, Hyperliquid is now the 10th largest market cap on the planet. And that's before removing stablecoins like Tether. I mean, just look at the last 7-day percentage performance. It's very different. Why is that? It's because Hyperliquid's doing something that nobody else on the planet is doing very well. So why haven't you taken advantage of that? Well, it comes back to the tunnel vision. We've got to be able to break out psychologically from our attachments and rebalance our portfolio when culture and society tell us to. I mean, I'm watching Rose here, the robot, on a live feed sorting packages. This is the future. How do I get in on this from a crypto perspective? Because that robot has to have a brain that's cryptographically driven. Well, what do you know? There's one, and gosh, it's up 200% in the last month. The final tip is don't treat crypto like a lottery ticket that you just hold on until your number is finally called. Crypto investing more than ever requires skill, market cycle knowledge, and paying attention to what's actually happening. It requires agility, not day trading necessarily, but trend trading. And what are the trends right now? Well, if you're still here, this is why you stayed the whole time. The upcoming trends, by my calculations, obviously one's already underway, which is AI, but AI is now so large that there are sectors within the AI narrative like AI inference, AI infrastructure, AI compute. All 3 of those sectors inside the AI narrative are going to have absolute bangers in the coming months. There's also real world assets. We have the entire stock market about to be tokenized thanks to the SEC rolling out a surprise verdict that we can go ahead and get started with that sooner than everyone expected. With the tokenization of Wall Street, well, that opens the floodgates to the tokenization to everything else. And a third narrative to pay attention to with all of this AI, robotics, and futuristic Jetson stuff that's happening, you got to pay attention to privacy. What are the blockchains? What are the protocols that are enabling a world of cryptographic or financial privacy? Those privacy layers, those privacy protocols are absolutely cooking, and they're going to continue to do so. It's the market's way of saying, hey, we don't want technocratic overlords to know every single one of our transactions and AI prompts. Now, I know what you might be thinking, Josh, I don't have time to research all this stuff. And as I always say, there's 3 ingredients to crypto wealth: crypto literacy skills, market cycle knowledge, and a great community. That community, yes, is awesome just from a human connection standpoint, but it's also great to have access to real, actual research day in, day out. If you don't have a community, please, by all means, before you spend another dime in crypto, go find a great community that shares your core values. I have one. As a matter of fact, it's a private mentorship and mastermind, and our entire community is wrapped around what we call the crypto flywheel method: cash flow, appreciation, which is what we've been talking about in this video, and leverage. All 3 of those hallmark characteristics of an asset class bundled together to methodically create expanded net worth. If that sounds like something you want to be a part of, go to cryptoyall.com today, hit the big orange button, watch that video, and then schedule a call with me this week. Like and follow for more.